12-year-olds just want to say that I threw the baseball. It was pretty fun.
What happened? What's this?
Just tell us, I threw the baseball one time.
One time I actually got it.
Is this something I don't know about?
No. Just say you threw the baseball.
One time I
Okay, so Mr. Richie.
I threw the baseball one time.
Mr. Richie,
I got the
Serious, let's go.
They don't have it.
Does anybody have a
They don't
pen
have
so I can sign my name on my camera? I want to say appreciation of the coaches and all of our other players.
You got money?
So you're
I was a 12-year-old.
Mr. Richie, good coach.
Thank you.
When he
No.
wasn't mad at us winning.
When he wasn't mad at every one of us.
He wasn't mad at us winning by 25.
When I wasn't mad? What? One time. Give me a break.
I think he was.
You guys stunk
I
that
think
day.
he was a lot better at us when we won badly than
Stunk
when
it
we
up.
lost.
Well, you were blind supposed to find a nut. Crazy. Now I have to do that.
That was good, Jack.
Okay,
Okay,
all right. We got one more story.
Okay, we got one more
This is
story.
priceless.
Okay.
This is the best
Me?
family story. Though.
Okay.
Everybody huddle in.
Okay.
Come on, huddle up.
No, that's
Okay,
fine.
so I'm scoring. I think it was the end of.
We love you, but
What was
What
the,
did I do?
what was the
Is
next?
this
Was it
embarrassing?
the last game?
Hey, Chris, move in. I'm getting this on videotape.
yeah,
I'm being
The last game
this is great.
is very frustrating towards the end.
I didn't throw
Ed
baseball at me.
unfortunately didn't have the greatest last at bat. Right,
Struck out.
struck out.
Wasn't
The
happy.
ball is 4 inches above.
Was very
Oh,
frustrated.
I know.
Happy with the out.
Got,
Don't look at me.
got back to the dugout. Was very frustrated. Chris is coaching third. He's trying to get everybody focused. And Chris, in that nice, calm way that he has, looks into the dugout and says, "Hey, control your emotions." And I just thought,
You're through the bat. You're all pissed off.
and I thought
I was gonna say,
that's
you
Chris
idiot.
Ritchie. That's Chris Ritchie right there. An emotional control your emotions.
Because because you're
like I say, not like I do. Damn it.
Of Little League.
They threw the baseball at me.
I did?
Yeah, in the middle of the game, remember?
That was
I
classic.
was on
That was
base.
classic.
I got a Betty. You're so